Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a rectangle in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I have already opened up my Photoshop. Now let's add a new layer. First, then go here and right-click on this icon and you will see so many options, but we will choose the first rectangle. Now let's draw the rectangle, but right now you can only see the border. To make a proper rectangle, go up right here, stroke, and click on this icon. Now you can see the border is also gone. Then click on Fill and choose any color you like. You can also make the sides round of the rectangle. Click on this little circle and stretch a bit, but not too much. Now let's add the text on this rectangle, and you can also adjust the size of the rectangle and text by doing Control T. That's how you can create a rectangle in Photoshop. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.